interesting.
Something interesting.
Stop it. Say something better than that.
Something better than that. Look, there's a hatchet. I'm gonna put a hatchet in his head. He belongs to ICP.
Oh, Lord.
He has a nice CV tattoo.
You enjoying your ice cream?
No, I am.
Are you aware this is going on YouTube?
My crack man.
Yeah, exactly.
His hatchet man
He's
tattoo.
worth it. He's worth it.
Hold on, don't look. He's peeing.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Looks like he's mutated.
Let it be known that we're in DQ. And people are probably looking at us like we're idiots. That girl just looked at me funny. People look at me funny when I look into the camera. Say goodbye.
Bye. Took me a minute.